Mo gagun. Yes. Yes, wọ́n sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Kẹ́ ẹ̀ tí wàá dà kún gbogbo ojú mi ní dáyé wọn. Ìjọ kan pẹ̀lú. Bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni kò dá ẹ máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni. Àmín 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 ẹ máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni kò dá Ọlọ́run ìṣẹ́rẹ́ ẹ máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni.
Worldwide làwọn èèyàn fi mọ̀ yín náà ṣe máa ń pè ní pé àwọn àyè gan tẹ bá rí kàn wá gan àti rẹ̀yìn láti kéèkì kọ́ àti rẹ̀yìn.
Irú yín ni màá yóò wá rẹ̀ mi. Irú yín ni kọ́ ló wá rẹ̀ mi láyé.
Kí ẹ tó wo náà yẹn pẹ̀lú.
Hello? Latest update on Oyo State Police Command effort at combating crimes and criminalities in the kidnapping of Alhaji Taofeek Azeez, aka Akewu Bagol, 2-year-old twins. Gentlemen of the press, I welcome you once again to Oyo State Police Command for the press briefing today, Monday, 18th May 2020. Sequence of the last briefing held on 13th May 2020, during which the command showcased the arrest of some suspected notorious kidnappers, armed robbers for criminal receivers, impersonators, murderers, cultists, terrorizing the state. The consistent and concerted efforts put in place by the Command Special Anti-Robbery Squad, SAS, Anti-Kidnapping Squad, AKS, and other police tactical teams, and the unwavering support of the people of Oyo State and the government, through credible information supplied to the police, have continued to yield good results and breakthroughs. Consequently, I wish to inform you that in the sensational case of the kidnapping of the 2-year-old twins of Alhaji Taofeek Azeez, aka Akewu Bagol, on the 25th April 2020, all the suspects have been arrested with substantial part of the ransom collected, the gun used for the operation, the 2 operational vehicles, and 1 motorcycle were also recovered from them. I therefore wish to solicit from the members of the public their continued support by constantly assisting us with credible, timely, and useful information that will enable us to solve and combat crimes and criminalities in Oyo State Police Command. The Oyo State Police Command can always be reached through these emergency control room numbers: 615 toll-free Oyo State Security Trust Fund, and the police emergency control room lines 070-554-95413, 0808-176-8614. Arrest of 7 armed robbers proclaimed kidnappers. You will recall that on the 25th April 2020, at about 2000 hours, a report was received at Ojo Divisional Police Headquarters, Ojo, Ibadan, that some notorious members of an armed robbery kidnapping syndicate who have been terrorizing members of the public within Ibadan metropolis and other parts of Oyo State had invaded the residence of one Alhaji Taofeek Azeez, Akewu Bagol, at Alfonso Road, behind PHCN office, Shasha area, Ojo, Ibadan, with guns, cutlasses, and some other dangerous weapons. The notorious criminals attacked his wife and subsequently abducted his 2-year-old twins to an unknown destination. The criminal assailants later demanded for ransom of 50 million naira before the 2 abducted babies would be released. As soon as this man was reported at Ojo police station and later transferred to AKS Eleyele/SACS office to Ibadan, a team of AKS/SAS operatives swung into action, while concerted effort was intensified to rescue the abducted babies and arrest the perpetrators of the heinous crime. The abducted babies were later released on hot 8 days later after their father had parted with an alleged sum of 4 million naira only as ransom to the good Lord. Consequent upon this, the investigating team embarked on a painstaking detailed discrete investigation that traversed several states, including Adamawa and Sokoto. In the process, the following members of the notorious armed robbery and kidnapping syndicate, who later identified themselves as Wilwan Taiwo, Rafiu Mutiu, Olumide Ajala, Fatai Akonji, Bashir Muhammad, Opeyemi Oyeleye, and one Rafiu Modena, female, a female member of the gang who was detailed to take care of the babies while in captivity, were all arrested in their respective hideouts in connection with the crime. The following exhibits: one locally made cut-to-size single barrel gun, 8 live cartridges, one Nissan Micra car with registration number J703EJ, which was used for the criminal activity, and another Micra car with registration number NRK 864YR, partly paid for from part of the ransom, the sum of 2,863,000 naira being part of the ransom, and an unregistered TVS motorcycle, which was equally used to monitor, execute the operation, and buy food for the abducted babies, were all recovered from the good Lord. Upon interrogation, the suspect confessed to the crime and explained in detail their individual roles in the criminal activities. Investigation is now in progress. Well, let me seize the opportunity to appeal to members of the public that mainly when we have our subordinates and we try to do one or two things for ourselves, we must also remember the subordinates. Without justifying their aim for the crime that has been committed, the allegations were that they claimed they were not being properly taken care of. Therefore, the two of them who were very close to Alhaji Akewu Bagoo were the masterminder, the people who executed and carried out the operation. They knew very well his movement, they knew where he would be, the children knew their faces, so there was no noise. It was a very smooth operation. But as God will have it, one of them on information and with technical support, we were able to get across to him, and in the process, he fled from Ibadan in Oyo State and ran all the way to Sokoto. But we were able to get back to him, and eventually his arrest led to the arrest of the other 6 people, including a callous young woman who took care of these babies, in whose care these babies were for 8 days before they were eventually rescued, and all the criminally minded individuals were arrested. Let me once again also seize this opportunity to thank the Inspector General of Police for giving us the opportunity and giving us the platform to be able to carry out this assignment successfully. I also want to use the opportunity to thank the state government, His Excellency the Governor of Oyo State, Engineer Seyi Makinde, for his support and words of encouragement, as well as the AIG Zone 11 Osogbo, AIG Bashir Matama. Let me also thank members of the press for their patience and understanding while the ordeal lasted. But to God be the glory, as at yesterday, all the people concerned in the dastardly act have been arrested, and a substantial part of the ransom collected have been recovered. Thank you, and God bless you. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ṣe máa ń ṣe nígbàkúùgbà àti lóòrèkóòrè, mo fẹ́ fi eléyìí dá àwọn ènìyàn wa lójú wípé àwọn ọlọ́pàá ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ tí ọ̀gá Olúgbólúdé adarí wọn fẹ́ fi tọ́ àwọn èèyàn wa létí wípé ohunkóhun irú ìwàkíwà àbí gbogbo àṣàkáṣà tí àwọn èèyàn wa lè dá láti rí wípé wọ́n lọ ṣiṣẹ́ ibi, ọlọ́pàá kò ní fi àyè ẹ̀ gbà wọ́n rárá. A ó rántí wípé ní ọjọ́ 25 oṣù tí ó kọjá, àwọn ọ̀dọ̀rọ̀ sí ẹ̀dá wọ́n lọ sílé Alhaji Taofeek Azeez Akeugba Gold, wọ́n lọ jí àwọn ìbejì rẹ̀, wọ́n lọ jí wọn gbé, wọ́n sì kó wọn pamọ́ fún bí ọjọ́ 7. Wọ́n gba owó ìtanràn bíi mílíọ̀nù 4 kó tó di pé wọ́n fi àwọn ọmọ yìí sílẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n nítorí wípé àwọn ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá wọ́n rí dájú wípé wọ́n sì mọ̀ wípé àwọn tì wá lẹ́yìn a sì ń ṣe iṣẹ́ wa bí ó ti tọ́ àti bí ó ti yẹ, wọ́n ní ká máa nìṣó, àwọn ń tẹ̀lé wa lẹ́yìn. A sì wá ṣe iṣẹ́ ní ojú àmì débi pé gbogbo àwọn ọ̀dọ̀rọ̀ sí ẹ̀dá yìí tí wọ́n hu ìwà burúkú jà yìí, gbogbo wọn àwọn 7 ní ọwọ́ ọlọ́pàá ti tẹ̀, àti obìnrin tí ó wà láàrin wọn tó jẹ́ ìyá àjọ tí wọ́n kó àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké wọ̀nyí tí wọ́n kó wọn sọ́dọ̀ tí ó sì ṣàánú abiyamọ. Ṣùgbọ́n nígbà tí ọwọ́ ọ̀pọ̀lábà wọn tí ó ségi, gbogbo wọn ní ọwọ́ ọlọ́pàá tẹ̀. Mọ́tò tí wọ́n fi gbé àwọn ọmọ náà àtẹ̀lé padà, èyí tí wọ́n sanwó lẹ̀ sí nínú ẹ̀ àrígbà lọ́wọ́ wọn, ìbọn tí wọ́n lò àti owó tí wọ́n gbà àrí mílíọ̀nù 2 àti 800,000 ìjàpadà lọ́wọ́ àwọn ọ̀daràn ìdáwọ̀n yìí. Mo wá fi àkókò yìí sọ fún àwọn èèyàn wa wípé bí àwọn èèyàn bá wà ní ọ̀dọ̀ wa tí wọ́n bá wa ṣiṣẹ́ tá a jọ ń gbé, ká máa rí dájú wípé a tọpinpin wọn dáradára, a sì mọ irú ẹ̀yà èèyàn tí wọ́n jẹ́, ká sì má fi ọwọ́ rọ́ wọn sẹ́yìn nítorí wípé ẹ̀dá ọmọ Ádámọ̀ ojú la rí, kò sẹ́ni tí ó mọ ohun tó wà ní ọkàn gbogbo wa. Mo sì fẹ́ fi àkókò yìí náà tó dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá yányán, Inspector General of Police àti gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ pẹ̀lú ọ̀gá wa tó wà ní Zone 11 l'Óṣogbo pé wọ́n kó àdúrótì, wọ́n sì tọ̀ wá lẹ́yìn, tí wọ́n tì wá lẹ́yìn lórí pé a ṣe àṣeyọrí lórí iṣẹ́ yìí. Mo sì fẹ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn akọ̀ròyìn náà wípé wọ́n kú sùúrù, tí wọ́n dúró, tí wọ́n ní sùúrù, tí wọ́n sì rí wípé a ṣe iṣẹ́ yìí, a ṣe dé ojú àmì. Èyí ni láti wá fi kìlọ̀ fún gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n jẹ́ kọ̀dọ̀rọ̀ sí ẹ̀dá wípé bó ti lè wù kó le tó, bó ti lè wù kó yí tó, ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá ṣẹ̀ sófin, a ó tọpinpin rẹ̀, tó bá wọnú hulẹ̀, a ó wù jáde, ibikíbi tó bá wù kó sálọ, a ó wù jáde. Ẹ ṣé. I think, well, where is Bashir? Where is Bashir? Where is Ope? Bashir and Ope are staff of the Akeugba Gold, who is the father of the victim. And both of them work with the man. So they knew everything about him, inside out. Even when the incident happened, and the police commenced investigation, without knowing that both of them were part and parcel, the masterminder and the smooth operator, they used to follow the man. So all the strategies that were being put in place were being plotted and communicated to their other colleagues. At the point, we nearly had misunderstanding with the complainant, because he was feeling that what he was telling us, the police were telling the other side, and we were feeling that he was telling the other side, not knowing that it was his own people working with him, not his people. They were his workers that were giving out the information to the other side. Eventually, we had to professionally re-strategize and limited the kind of information that is being exchanged in the presence of any other person. And lo and behold, we began to have a breakthrough. And at the end of the day, these two were discovered to be the masterminders. And they have confessed to the crime. They didn't deny it. In fact, the substantial part of the money recovered was recovered from Okwe in connivance with Bashir. And this young man, what's your name? Mutiu went and borrowed a weapon, according to him, from this, what's your name? Fatai, who claimed to be a guy somewhere. And why in the name of God do you have to give this kind of a thing to anybody for use, for whatever? He claimed they were friends and he was willing to give the man the gun. And who is the owner of the vehicle that was taken to the house? Who is the owner of the vehicle that was taken to the house? Talo ni mọ́tò tó ń gbé lọ sílé Alhaji Akeugba Gold. Who is Taiwo? He borrowed the vehicle, one of the Mitra, from his friend. And then they went with himself and the gun to the man's house. They borrowed the vehicle from that young man. And he is the Okada rider. What's your name? Olumide is the Okada rider who has been monitoring and finding out the movement of policemen around the place and whatever it is that they are doing. And he also goes to buy food for the twins while they were in custody. And this is the woman who had custody of the twins. And one question, he read some flimsy excuses. They've suddenly brought children to you. You don't know their source. They said their mother and father are fought. Okay, I agree. But subsequently, you were told not to allow the children to go outside. And yet, nothing occurred to you to ask questions. You still went ahead to keep the children. When they are going to be fed, they are not allowed to go outside. They remain continuously inside the room. And then you now said, yes, you thought that they were the children of your husband's wife, who had run away somehow. But the thing is, at the end of the day, you say 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, no question. And eventually, at the end of the exercise, they came and gave you 20,000 naira. You now said, from where? And then you said, okay. And that was all. So, all of them that are here, the 7 of them, played a significant role in the abduction and kidnapping of those children. And now that the long arms of the law has caught up with them, they will surely face the wrath of the law. Thank you.
Social distancing. So it's okay there.
But we learned that you were one of the staff of Akeugba Gold. What can you say about this?
I think just
Unfortunately, earlier, but at some point, I got aware, but I was afraid of the fact that even if I didn't achieve, how would I play? So when he came back, I was the one that even called him to come back where I was. So when he came, I got the full details of everything. Okay, fine. Once this thing has happened this way, what do you think? He said this is the remaining one. Okay, but why? So he mentioned this guy. I know him very well. I was even the one that he knows before he knows this story. So based on that, this one is former junior. I was the one that picked to arrange for that time to give him job. Guy around the street, but I know him. So okay, fine.
You are related to Akeugbago. You.
No, I'm not related to him, but
okay.
I'm close to him.
Okay.
So
how much did you make? How much did you get from this deal?
I wasn't getting anything. I did not take the couple. So it's just that when he come back, he bring the money. I got the money. I said, okay, fine. My advice then, he brought the money and
you were aware that the money was for the kidnappers.
When he came back,
you were aware.
I was aware.
That
he
the
explained
money
everything to me. And our advice, I was the one that took him to Alaji. That with this money, let's go to Alaji. So when we get to Alaji, then we explain everything. He now begged him. Probably there is a way out. So okay, he said, no, we shouldn't do it that way. I should get to Alaji. I take him to Alaji. When I take him to Alaji, I explain that this is Bashir that we have been looking for. So whatever the question they want to ask him, ask him. I now told Alaji that and I have a substantial information about it. So for the fact that I want them to take him out, so I will now take the money to him and explain. This is what he told me when I called him back. Because I was telling Nabi that I will get Bashir, don't worry. And he called me later. I asked him to. But that guy, I was the one that introduced him to Alaji. But the problem I have is, immediately he brought the money, I was like, probably there is a way I can handle the matter. Give the money back to the owner and plead on their behalf. I know.
Why did you run back to Sokoto?
I didn't go to Sokoto. I wasn't the one that got to Sokoto. I was here at Rot, even with the AKS. I was providing. I give them my number, I give them my school number, I give them everything.
So what you're trying to say is that you are innocent?
No, I was not aware of the issue. But when he come back from Sokoto, he explained everything to me. I give you and brought the money.
But it was revealed that the remaining money was found in your place.
Yes, he gave it to me when he come back. He asked him that when did the money got to me. When Bashir came back from Sokoto, I was the one that lured him down here.
Were you able to report to the police that...
I wasn't able, but I told Subowale that based on this fact, I have some standards, but Bashir is around, but I will bring it to them. But I took Bashir to Alaji house. That is where AKS...
Do you want us to believe you are innocent?
Right from the beginning of this incident,
Till now? Till now?
No, not till now. I told you when he come back from Sokoto, he explained to me everything and put the money down inside the place at 1 year. I said, was Bashir, why? But at that juncture, what do I do?
If I may ask you, were kept in the dark when this whole process happened.
Exactly.
That's what it's trying
Even
to
if I was aware before they collect the ransom, I would have told him, don't collect the ransom, but let's go to Alaji and explain this. My name is Akoyemi. Akoyemi Oyeleye. I'm 25 years old. I have property business.
Ní ọpẹ́ tẹ̀ ń wé yìí. Ẹni tó ṣe transport ló má bàbá Bashir.
Olóma Bàwá.
Òun ló kú pẹ̀lú Alhaji Akeugbago. So òun ló mú àbá lọ bá Bashir.
This Opeyemi?
Yes, òun ló introduce òun àti ṣe relate, they are very close. They are related. So òun ló lọ mú ẹlẹ́ wá torí mọ̀ pé ó lè ṣiṣẹ́ yẹ. Eléyìí ló lọ gba ìbọn. So why tó ṣe wá sọ pé òun mọ̀ ń pa ìbọn? Wọ́n ní wọ́n lọ sọ pé ó lọ gba ìbọn. Wọ́n ní wọ́n lọ gba ìbọn.
This story was not even clear.
Wọ́n parọ́ pé bàtọ̀ gbówó dé nù. Wọ́n ló dẹ̀ rílé ìpẹ̀lẹ̀ lè wà tẹ́lẹ̀ fábí. Wọ́n wọ́n mẹ́lì wá. Kẹ́ni yẹn mọ̀ ẹ̀ kẹ́ni yẹn mọ̀ ọmọ ẹni yẹn. Ẹni tó mọ̀ bá tó sí wọ́n gbówó lọ sí bí àjà.
Now
the game is over.
Owó ẹ̀yìn ṣe ti náà fẹ́ lò. Mo fi ra bàtà mo ta ilé.
Kí lorúkọ yín?
ẹ tó bí ọmọ ọdún mélòó.
Madam, aku.
Sorry. What's your name? It seems you don't know anything about. Ẹ̀yin tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ ẹ fún 8 days. Nígbà tí àwọn ọmọ yín kọ́ mọ̀ ọ́ rí kí ló dé gbé ọmọ ọlọ́mọ sódò.
Baba Fatai, ya. Ya Pak, mau di sini Pak. Coba dong, mau di sini. Baba, yang kilo kamu. Kamu semaju. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ kúrò lẹ́yìn yẹn ẹ jọ̀ọ́.
Ẹ tún sẹ́yìn màá yá yín pẹ̀lú wọn o. Bàbá gbójú sókè ń jẹ́ ìjáde. Gbójú sókè, gbójú sókè. Yes, God bless you.
Yeah? Yes, yes, sir.
No problem, I'm buying a damn call.
Yeah, bó ṣe rí nìyẹn o ní iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá olú iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá tó wà ní Ẹlẹ́yẹlé ní ìlú Ìbàdàn. Ibẹ̀ ni a ti rí iṣẹ́ takuntakun tí àwọn ọlọ́pàá ṣe lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ìbejì Alhaji Taofeek Akeugba Gold tí àwọn ajínigbé tí wọ́n jí gbé àwọn náà ni ẹ sì ti rí tí iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá ti ṣe àfihàn wọn yẹn. Wọ́n ní gbogbo ẹ̀dá tó bá ń yọ́lẹ̀ dà ohun búburú a máa yọ wọn ṣe. Sáàmù lọ́wọ́ báyìí kò fèsì báyìí sáàmù lọ́wọ́ báyìí. So bó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn o, a ti rí iṣẹ́ takuntakun tí iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ ṣe lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ìbejì Alhaji Taofeek Akeugba Gold tí wọ́n jí gbé. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí tí mò ń sọ lọ, tẹ́ bá gbọ́ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ tí ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá sọ, wọ́n ní àwọn méjì kan ń bẹ tí wọ́n súnmọ́ Alhaji Taofeek Akeugba Gold gẹ́gẹ́ bí iṣan ọrùn, pé àwọn ni wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí, àwọn ni wọ́n hun kó tó di pé iṣẹ́ náà bẹ̀rẹ̀ kí wọ́n tó ṣe. Wọ́n ní ẹ̀bi tí ó pé ra ara ilé ẹni ò ní ṣe ni. Tí wọ́n bá ní kòkòrò tó ń jẹ̀fọ́ ń bẹ nídìí ẹ̀fọ́, ṣùgbọ́n kinní kan ló tiẹ̀ wàá yà mí lẹ́nu. Àwọn méjèèjì tí wọ́n sọ yìí tí wọ́n súnmọ́ Alhaji Akeugba Gold tímọ́tímọ́ yìí, ṣé ni wọ́n jọ ń lọ tí wọ́n jọ ń bọ̀ ní gbogbo ìgbà tán wá àwọn ọmọ náà. Wọ́n á wò ó wípé nígbà tí ìyá ìbejì ń sun ẹkún bíi tó ń sun ẹkún tó yẹ pé àwa tí à ń wò ó nílé gan tá a lọ kí a fẹ́ẹ̀ lè má lè mú mọ́ra, tí gbogbo wa náà fẹ́ẹ̀ lè máa bá a sun ẹkún. Wọ́n wò pé báwo ni àwọn tí wọ́n jí ọmọ yìí gbé tí wọ́n sì wà pẹ̀lú Alhaji Akeugba Gold ńgbà náà, báwo ni wọ́n ṣe ń feel gan, báwo náà ṣe ń feel. Ṣáwọn èèyàn ò lẹ́rìí ọkàn mọ́ ni. Ó mà ṣe o, ó mà ṣe o. Ṣùgbọ́n èmi máa kíní kan dájú pé nítorí já máa kígbe àwọn ọlọ́pàá nìyẹn o. Kò sí iṣẹ́ tí ọlọ́pàá bá fẹ́ ṣe tó ní excuse fún. Ọlọ́pàá Nàìjíríà, they are well trained and they know what to do at the right time. Kò sí iṣẹ́ tí ọlọ́pàá bá fẹ́ ṣe tí ọlọ́pàá ní excuse fún. Torí pé wọ́n máa ṣe àìfẹ́ ṣe ló yà tí wọ́n bá ṣe. Lórí eléyìí o, èmi Oríyọmí Hamzat àti gbogbo àwọn olólùfẹ́ mi pátápátá a kí iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́, a fi wọ́n kí IG, a fi wọ́n kí zone 11 area commander àti wọ́n kí zone 11 area commander, àwọn àfi wọ́n kí wọ́n wá kí commissioner fún iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá nípínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ sí iṣẹ́ takuntakun. Wọ́n appreciate wọn on this keep it up. Does it take me to sound like we are? If a job of this nature is being carried out in this manner, I really appreciate this. Ó dùn wọ́n ní gan o, ó dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín gan ni ẹ ṣiṣẹ́ takuntakun. Iṣẹ́ yín ò dẹ̀ ní tìṣẹ́, iṣẹ́ yẹn ò ní kọjú ìjà sí yín. Tọ́ ẹ̀yọ́ ọmọ Nàìjíríà nílẹ̀ yìí àti lókè òkun, gbogbo bí tẹ́ ti gbọ́ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ Alhaji Taofeek Akeugba Gold tí wọ́n jí ìbejì wọn gbé, àwọn tó jí gbé, àwọn náà lẹ ti rí yẹn o, àwọn náà ni wọ́n ti mú yẹn o. Ìgbẹ́jọ́ máa tẹ̀síwájú, tí bá ṣe ń lọ á jẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ máa gbọ́. Ṣùgbọ́n sẹ́yìn pé coronavirus wà ń ta báyìí, wọn àti ilé ẹjọ́ ò tí ì jókòó. Àwọn SARS ti kó wọn lọ padà. Mo ṣe ń wò pé lẹ́yìn tán ti pàréèdì wọn náà kí wọ́n kọ́ lọ tọ́jú wọn bìkan náà títí coronavirus ó fi lọ tí a fi gbọ́ ẹjọ́. This issue of Alhaji Taofeek Akeugba Gold is a running story It's a running story, and I am quite sure that we are going to follow it up. Thank you so much. Once again, I still remain your most controversial presenter. I stand for the truth and nothing but the truth. Oriyomi Hamzat. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.